Alright, we back up here at Kenny Long's place up in Dover Plains, New York. This is Blood's old B model B75 that he got. Little update. He put this bumper on it. Couple lights. Some glass lens lights. And some lights in the back of the cab. And now he got an axle so he could put buds on the front.
I don't repeat you like I'm fixing to do. You know what I mean? Yeah. I ain't got fucking time for that.
We just left Mack's out in Louisville, Kentucky. And while we was out there, he found that axle on Marketplace, so we picked it up and brought it back. And they're gonna put it up underneath here. That'll be in the next video though. Kenny got some new stuff on his yard.
So I'm glad that I went, but I'm kind of mad that I went because I'm kind of like desensitized. Because it's like, what, like it's now, it's been to the kingdom. Now it's like, not a feasible thing to have a fucking nice truck and a truck. So what the fuck? I would like
it's Pop's old truck. Old B61, or B63 or whatever it is. Got another old Mack back here that I've never seen before. He got a B73 with a bunch of Peterbilt stuff on it. Peterbilt sleeper, Peterbilt tanks. It's got a Cummins in it. Small cam Cummins. What else? I don't know what he plans on doing with it, but he got it. Oh, the door don't open. Everybody's favorite. So FLC over here. Somebody needs to save this old girl. It's for sale. If you want it, hit me up. No motor, no tranny. It had a 8V92 in it from factory. Just showing you guys his Max, his old B models. Got another one over here. Another old B model. Some cars. I think that's a Willys or something. I don't know what that is. Let me know what you guys think. Sound like Blood is trying to start up his B model. See if it'll start. Oh no, they're trying to start up the tractor to pull his axle off.
we might have to spray this too. I don't know. Hey, Calvin. You can't reach the other side? Stay on the other side. I want to see that thing.
You want to see what?
I want to see that thing. I had it
Hit it.
I would rather just give it a little shot too. Might have to spray this too.
Drive, why don't you buy that pretty light?
Thinking about it. Hit it.
You got juice?
There goes nothing.
Nope. That put my truck on it, probably.
No. Don't got enough yet. Hey, Blood, what's your plans with this one? Let the people know.
Well, I'm gonna do the hubs first. That's what we went to Kentucky and got the hubs for it.
Got the axle.
Yeah, got the axle. Put the butt wheels on it. Do the same thing in the back with air rod. Put the square tanks on it. Put my visor, bullet cab lights, dual horns. Finish polishing the bumper out. Lights. And that's it for now. Until I switch it up.
And then we taking it to Macungie.
Hopefully I can pull my dad's truck on the low boy with this one.
Which
is good. Got one down there. Bring it just like it is. Just pull it out, leave it all raw and natural, and bring it to the show like that for the first year. And then next year, just be working on it. And then every year after that, bring it and have a little bit more done to it.
Yeah. That'll be cool. Hopefully we can do that this year.
Yeah, definitely. But I don't know. Sometimes when you speak about it, that's when it don't happen. So we got to do the reverse. So I'm gonna say I'm not going, so then I could go. So when you say you're going, something always pop up.
That's a fact.
But this truck runs, drives, no leaks. It stops. So to be honest, if I wanted to, I wasn't caring about the look. I could bring the truck there just like it is. I mean, it's an oil seal in the back, and switch them tires. But other than that, the truck will go there like that because it's mechanically sound enough to go. But just for aesthetics,
Kenny, what's your plans with that B model back there with the peak sleeper?
I want to actually make it so that I can run it, drive it back and forth to New Mexico. That's my plan. To go digging through the woods and finding stuff out there that we ain't got out here.
Yeah, you gotta go out west to find all the old cool stuff these days.
Yep.
You had sprayed it?
Before it's gone.
Yeah.
Yes, I did.
What else you need for that truck down there?
Well, I got the Cummins at the shop. Got to put a big cam in it.
Oh, you gonna pull the small cam out?
Yeah, and
if you just running back and forth, what's wrong with the small cam?
Because I'm not gonna get 700 horse out of that one like I can the big cam.
What you need 704 horses for to go back and forth to New Mexico?
So you can keep up with this?
Just to say I can.
I feel you.
I have to take him for a ride in Pinky, then he'll understand.
Oh yeah, you should. How the batteries in it?
I was supposed to get 2 batteries from the guy down the street, but he's in Florida.
Yeah.
Because he's gonna sell me 2 batteries for $100 a piece.
No, that truck feels like the pill. That truck is fast.
Just because it's something I wanted,
That'd be a good race.
Years ago, I drew a picture of the ultimate B model, as far as I was concerned. B75, and I think that's why when I saw that, I had to have it because it was similar. Got the double bunk already, got a factory wheelbase like that.
You taking that peak sleeper off?
Yeah. I wasn't gonna, but I want to get one a little bit lower, just so the profile's a little better.
What type of sleeper?
If I can't find a Mercury or something close to it, I don't know what brand one that was that had like the seashell looking thing on the door, but like a square one, 42 inch or something.
Like a Benz.
Is that what they were? Because I'm not sure.
Like the international ones.
Yes.
That's the international. I think is made by Benz. The old international ones. I think that's Benz who make those.
Because the rest right sleepers, you can't find them that's any good. Maybe they weren't built good, but everyone you find, they're all broke up real bad underneath. put air right under. I can go. I actually can go with lower horsepower, no power steering, but I gotta have AC and air ride. I've done too much of without that, you know.
Yeah.
I'm not the spring chicken I used to be.
Where'd you get that visor from?
Danny Smith. He remakes them and sells them.
Oh, that's a repro?
Yep.
Fiberglass?
Yeah.
Originals are fiberglass too?
Yeah. That's like the same one like on my dad's truck. But this one has a little bit more flatter shape. I think maybe the mold or maybe the weather, it got the, maybe I might put it on top of it and just put a ratchet strap to kind of get it to
bend a little bit.
Because this one, it don't look as good as that one.
I'll show you the one up the front.
Oh, yours?
The one that's on this one right here.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Some of the truck. I'll buy it just to put it on there for now and then fix this one. Because this one will be going before that one. I would look at that visor.
What?
That one sit right. It's the contour and everything.
Put it up there, let me see. Alright, let me go to the other side of the truck, get a look alright. Well, this side is sitting up because you're holding that side.
Yeah, you gotta hold it down. But it's like you got big gaps. I think the only thing that's gonna make it sit right is you gotta put it on there and make it just conform, you know?
Yeah. How much was that?
You only probably go there, right?
Okay.
That was my plan, part of my plan for today. But you got it too far back.
Huh?
You gotta slide it forward. More. Yeah, more. Why do you want it to lay down like that?
I want it to look just like that one.
So you gotta mount it.
Let me check out and see what this one looks like that he's talking about. He wants the visor to look like this one. You can see the visor. He wants that look. Which one?
That 10-wheeler?
Uh-huh.
I was driving that. I've been driving that truck since I was 9 years old.
That dump truck right there?
We've had that since 1972.
Oh yeah? Hello? What's up? Did you tell him that? Yeah, but I didn't get my other stuff. I'll send him the money in a second. I'll call you right back. I didn't get my last stuff that I ordered. I'm gonna call you right back.
Right? When you come here to get inspired,
Yeah, I tried last week, but I was fucking sick.
you said I'm getting home. I said stay home.
Yeah, my wife made me go to her. But no, that was the week before that. That's when I got sick. I was over it. But then when I got out the shower, like I felt fucking winded. She was like, nah, you gotta go to urgent. So I said, no, I'm alright. So I got in the car, got about 2 or 3 blocks, texting me, calling me, oh, this is why your kids are stubborn and you need to take better care of yourself. And if you don't care, I don't care. I'm like, alright, I'm turning around.
Was she wrong?
No. But she was, because when I went to urgent care, they fucking told me nothing was wrong. They checked my ears, they checked it.
You probably was like in a really, really hot shower.
Yeah.
And your respiratory wasn't quite right. And you wasn't getting the oxygen you needed to because of the steam and shit.
Yeah.
I think that's probably what hit you
I was
up.
sitting there putting my lotion on, and I was like, oh shit, what? I couldn't catch my breath. I was like, I gotta go sit down. She was like, babe, you alright? So I don't know. I feel weak. Like I couldn't even lift my arms, like out of nowhere.
It actually kills me for that truck to sit there going to shit.
Which one?
That Freightliner. It just, I had a car here once and I wasn't doing nothing with it, so I sold it because I just didn't want it to sit here and deteriorate.
Mm-hmm. How long you had that Freightliner?
10 years or more. And I could have had the paperwork, but I'm stubborn.
What year is it? 85?
84.
84?
Maybe two-stroker could put that special Detroit he got in there. And he said, what he said he wanted? No, he said he wanted to put it in a 007 or something like that.
Yeah.
But that's clean enough for it to go in there. That'd be great. That'd be good. If he could buy it. And he saw the truck too, right?
He seen it.
He said, yeah, he talked about that truck. They'll definitely make some good content with it too.
That's supposed to have a Detroit in it anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who pulled the motor out?
The owner, he was kind of he'd wore out his welcome everywhere he went. So the guy was going to do the motor for him, and then he ended up not having the money, and he couldn't pay the bill, so I paid the bill, and that's how I ended up with the truck.
Oh, you got a Ford in drill?
Look at roughly where my hole is on that one and try to go in the same spot.
Is that a little walker? I gotta get that shit to start bending towards the cab. Cause I don't know what, cause you know after you make a mold of a mold of a mold of a mold, somewhere along the line it's gonna. Danny Smith makes it. You know Danny Smith, right? Yeah.
That's why.
He remakes them. The mold is off. That's an original. That's why that shit sit like that.
Yeah, that's a Lund.
Yeah.
That's what?
A Lund.
Oh.
The one on that is actually a Lund.
He says Lund style because he can't say Lund because it's not a Lund, so he says Lund style. He got the other one too, the one that just looked like, you know, the old boat, like the Buick. He has that one too. He said, you want this one?
That's fiberglass though?
No, I think it's stainless. They come both ways.
Yeah,
Fiberglass and stainless.
I want that one.
That's like the Australian trucks. They got them. I like.
Or I might take like a Peterbilt visor and fashion it out and fit it.
It's a guy in Washington. He has a B-73 with Cummins in it, black, and he has a modified stainless visor.
Actually, know what you could do?
What's that?
Is take that one off and put it up here and mark the holes. No, you got to mark that, so you'd have to overlay it over that one, huh?
I'm gonna just like see where it's at on it, and
try to get close.
yeah, just mark it. I think you got one here, and then
careful on the paint now. That's original paint there.
yeah. I'm gonna come off and go in there for mock-up. I think I'm gonna leave it on there.
Let's get the fuck going. Down there to see what he was doing, I missed the cold start.
That don't sound like a thermodyne, does it?
I don't know what a thermodyne sounds like.
They sound lazy like that one.
So what you think it is?
I'm not sure.
What you got that hooked up to?
I have this back here to the winch power. So one, I can jump something without having, because this is up by the battery box. I got another plug. But like now where you can't get to something, you know, got 25 feet of shit here.
Oh, okay.
But I just got it hooked on. It's actually hooked to the battery.
And that goes straight to the battery?
Yeah.
Okay. That's smart. What you doing now?
Pull these cables up and drill a hole in the visor and see if I can put the nut certs in it to get it to start holding itself down a little bit.
You said you're gonna put the hole in the visor.
Yeah, drill a holes in the visor so I can mount it and put the nut certs in to screw it down so it can start trying to take some shape.
Yeah, dude.
John actually has a way better nut circle. He's got like a real heavy duty.
You got one? John? You use that one?
Yeah. I don't know, I think I like the round tanks better. Well,
I don't know. You gotta get them first.
Matt's got him over there.
ready to pull his axle off?
Yeah. Calvin. Hey, I'm gonna pull my truck up and you move over closer. Alright?
So you pull this up to here?
No, just move over closer.
Okay.
You gotta take the sides off?
No.
No.
L10 motors like that beat you got, they get like crazy fuel mileage, you know?
Yeah.
It's funny because like, you know how many of them JB Hunt Snyder trucks had that little motor in them? Running all over the country with it.
I didn't know. I know a lot of the trucks that had the newer one, the M11s a lot.
That's good, I think. Hang on.
Can't reach what?
Is there a seal on the top of that pump or all 260 volts exposed? In the back?
I don't know what you're talking about.
The cover on the governor, sometimes it's got a lead seal in one of the holes. See if that one has all 6 bolts in it. If it's got all 6 bolts, you take that off. I can put a little fuel in that real quick. Smile like a little kid. I'm getting some ice cream. I'm getting some ice cream.
They're exposed.
All 6 of them?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Want a little more fuel? Well, let it warm up. That's a pedigree motor, and for some reason, I think that's a Mack guy. I really do. Just the way it sounds.
Yeah. the horsepower on the tag here?
I don't think there's any information on that. But did it say the part number? Just Google that and see what it is.
Pedigree. Yeah, it says 88. 88, 1988. So it is. It's responsive. It's right there. Ready to go to the country.
Oh yeah?
Ready to go.
Is that right?
It's gonna be there.
This is pretty cool.
Oh, you're gonna use the back of it. Hoping they gonna run out of fuel. Right in the middle, right?
That good?
That's good?
That's good? You want to come back some more? That's good. Why your reverse light still on? You cut the car off?
No, I never cut the car on. I just put it in
Lift the motor. You just gonna set it on the ground or you want some blocks? How you doing? You just want to set it on the ground, or you want to put blocks underneath?
It's alright. I don't think it's gonna freeze to the ground anymore.
You gonna pull up?
This is like a service truck.
Yeah, take that chain off. Not too shabby for free.
Not at all. All right, you guys, my battery's dying. It's on 1%. So I'll be back with you guys in a few. All right, we back. Got a fresh battery.
Take these off and put these on.
Let me see, put it back.
That's the same as the ones in the
Over here.
in the back of the cab. And I'm gonna get these same ones in green, put them on the inside.
Where'd you get the glass lenses from? Yo, where you get the glass lenses from?
So when I put them on,
Where did you get them from?
what is it, horse and buggy?
Oh, horse and buggy. Oh, okay. Oh, those are the same ones?
And this, I'm gonna put these in the bumper too.
Hang it down.
Yeah. I don't know whether I want to cut a hole in the bumper.
I think it look good. Hang it down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this bumper's already kind of deep. I don't want it to look like it's maybe like down and then a little swing plate in the middle of between the two lights.
You can do
Like
that.
one light here, one light there, and then maybe two plate
Swing plate.
swing plate like this. Maybe a little bit back.
I think it'll look good like that.
Yeah. I like the yellow. And get the covers, light covers, or maybe the half shades down, spotlight.
What we doing now?
Huh?
What we doing now?
The buzzer went off, so it must be building up air. I wanted to hold that visor up there so I could mark the hole. Somebody gonna have to hold the other side down. If I could just get that shit drilled in, I'll leave it like that until it start to get some type of shape. Because it ain't gonna get the shape that's sitting in the car. And you know, with the sunlight down on it and it pressed down, it might start to look a little better.
Alright, you guys, I'll be back with you in a few. Oh, maybe not. Let's see what he got going on over here. What you doing here?
Well, I was just gonna start it because I was gonna start it, maybe take it for a burn at the road or something, but no spark. Don't know why. I don't know, it's possible the coil's bad. I was just telling him that coil's like 30 years old. Yep. I didn't drive this much last year.
What is this?
57 Ford Custom.
57 Ford Custom. What size motor?
402.
You can see it's building air, close the shutter stats.
Yeah, they work. The windshield wipers work too.
I know.
And then when you shut the truck off, the grill opens up.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm happy I got this truck. I was looking at this truck for months, and when I seen that, on Marketplace, from Mack up in Bethlehem, Connecticut, and he had it up there for a while. I kept seeing it, so I saved it. So you know what? Then when I came in there and I looked, a couple months later, it still was sitting there. I said, nah, let me just shoot him a text. And he said it still was available, and came up there and looked at it. It was like in really decent shape.
How much you gave for it?
$3,500. It was worth it though. Worth it. Even if you was to part it out like this, you know, just the aluminum radiator, the motor, transmission, like, I don't know, maybe you might not, maybe you might not want the transmission, but definitely the motor. You ain't got your money back now, but this truck is too nice to part out. Like, this truck is like,
What money you got? Everything.
tanks so you can't get on them. Cause you ain't got nowhere to fucking put your foot. You gotta find this little asshole. Then it's like, it ain't just, I like the square tanks. Just put your foot right up on there. Alright, so look. So when somebody is telling you to hurry up and back up and you jumping in the truck, you can easily miss it.
They can wait.
But the square one,
They can wait.
yeah. But you know, sometimes you're frustrated, you want to hurry up and go or whatever. This little shit gets you messed up, bro. And then when you get out of the truck, the parking is too hard to find. It's like this. But the square tank, as soon as you step out, you put your foot down there, it's good. This here is, and then it's too close for me. Like it don't look like it.
You want to take the purity of the truck and destroy it.
No, I don't want to destroy it.
Why don't you just like paint it some gay color like pastel green or some shit?
No. I'm putting the square tanks on it. Some of them came with the square tanks. Putting the B-model square tanks on it.
What the hell? Where's my air horn?
I took it off to put the visor on.
It's messed up everything.
Oh, you know I found I sent it to you, right? The original picture of this truck, where it had the dump trailer.
Where you found that at?
Pinterest.
How you know it's this truck?
You could see the guy who posted it. He was like from Connecticut or something like that, which is where this truck come from. You can see the green on the hub and this on it when we pressure washed it.
Mm-hmm.
And then you can see the green on that one in there, and everything is painted on that truck. The red, all of this was painted red, everything, just like the one in the picture. And it had added a little. What?
He owes me some glasses though.
Why is that?
Spraying all wild with the damn cleaner that day.
Oh, it got on your lenses and messed it up.
Got my lenses, my glasses. Forgot about that, didn't you?
Yeah.
Damn it.
I owe you a lot more than glasses, man.
I'll add it to your storage.
Yeah, the way these windshield wipers working, those don't. And they had them on because I remember when we very first started this truck, and it started, you see the windshield wipers going. Then next thing you know, you see the shutters close. Oh shit, man! Everything works in here. It's none of them missing. It's none of them bent.
I remember these trucks running. There was two of them like this, and one of them was a B61. It didn't have the exterior radiator. I don't know if you want that thing up that high. It ain't gonna fit right.
No, not that high.
You gotta bring it down to where it at least fits. Them too short. Ain't got no ladder.
You put the visor on that?
Yeah, my father didn't want it, but he said it looked too old. He wanted to make the truck look newer than what it was.
He's like, yeah, I didn't want that thing looking like some antique or mafia car going down the road. Man, I'm telling you what.
That's what makes it, like the gangsterness of it. It looked like an old mafia. That fucking truck got the look.
Every time I went somewhere, like going down south with it, I used to run Atlanta, Georgia with that twice a month. Sometimes I'd go down, come back. I loaded out of Paulsboro, New Jersey. I'd come down, load bout, and go right back down. Every time you're passing somebody, they got to go to war with you. And I'd have to show them 9 times out of 10 that you should have just left me alone because you ain't gonna catch me. Yeah, see? Yeah, it don't quite fit right, do it?
It gotta be like pressed down.
Push it up some until you get past that light, see what happens.
This gotta get trimmed inside.
You didn't want that anyway, did you? Yeah, don't quite. It just don't seem like it wants to fit right. That part anyway got to trim off, I guess, right?
Yeah, this same thing on this one. I'm gonna take it down and trim it and then go come back up.
this is where I feel my age. You know what? I don't like it. I don't like it, man.
Did in my breezer cap, man. You owe me a truck.
Well, see that way there, it gives the
It's rim air.
it gives the birds a place to wash off as you're pulling a hill at 2 miles an hour.
Where's your grinder at?
Well, that might present a problem. You have to go over there and go by the well. There's an extension cord by the well.
All right, you guys. Be back with you in a few. All right, we back. I'm gonna put his visor on. What do you guys think? Does the visor make a difference? Or does it still look like a B model? The Mack guys out there, let me know what you think. Let me hear it, blood.
Huh?
Let me hear it.
Let me put on my camera face.
Let me get a picture. Let me get a picture of you in front of the truck, blood, so for the thumbnail.
You
gotta put on his Mack hat. No.
That too?
Well, I need to get one.
I was kidding, man. Thank you.
I'm a Pete man. It's in my blood. Gotta put the thumbs up.
Looking like your father Lee.
That's right, goddammit. I was raised in the extended hood 359.
That's cool. I'm not against him. I just, I can maintain the rivalry.
My pops, when I was first, well, my pops had a cab over Freightliner with a 444 Cummins, and then he bought an extended hood 359 and pulled the motor out of that cab over Freightliner and put it in there. He ran that for some years. And then he went to the dealer and traded it in for a 92 379. We never seen it again.
My friend Paul did together on that Kenworth. His dad bought a brand new 359 with a KTA 600 in it. And I don't know where it happened, but he was sitting somewhere eating lunch, came out and that shit was gone.
Probably Brooklyn.
And it disappeared and it was gone forever. And then one day they ran across it. Somebody had like painted it over and whatnot. And back in the day when they painted a truck if it had more than one color, that whole truck was painted each one of them colors. But it was all cobbed up and whatnot. And after that, he ran like cab over internationals with 318s in them and so on. He said nobody will steal them.
Yeah, hold on, I'm gonna show you. Let me see.
What was you trying to do over there?
The door, fucking, the lock keeps fucking.
Spray some stuff on it.
You got a little bit of brake cleaner?
For what?
We got to take the gunk out first, cause just putting lube over the gunk is like real. It's like tacky, so that's what's making
There's something there, but
it's stuck.
I don't know if you guys can see.
Unhook your little trailer and push it off the side so we can go get something to eat.
Big trailer.
That's me in front of his 359 back in the day.
Oh, ain't you just the cutest little Negro child? Yeah, that's the kind of paint jobs I'm talking about. Those things like when they was painted like that back in the day, they was painted all them colors.
Yeah, I know they were painted layer color, but Johnson's
That's nice.
painted this truck. Johnson's Towing in Pennsylvania. They did like 4 of them. This was one of them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but I was raised in the extended hood 359.
Yeah, that's kind of what that chassis over there at Matt's looks like, right? With the 5 and the 4, a truck like
Yeah.
that. I don't know what that is though.
It's gonna be something like this.
Yeah. And it's gonna be sweet.
Yeah, it is for sure.
It's gonna definitely.
That's
be
the only
sweet.
thing I like over there.
That's the only because you just being that way about shit.
It's the only thing worth anything over there. All right, you guys. I'm signing out. I guess that's a wrap for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.